Hi guys, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to find and replace with highlight in Microsoft Outlook. So let's started. At first open your documents and firstly go to the home menu option and click for the three dot option and click for editing option and click for find option and click for the navigation bar is find search for any words is mother. Then find and highlight it. Then try for another word is my. So again that try for another word and this and. Then replace option is and second option is on and then click replace all. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.